That's got a grass roof on it. Little mossy grass roof. That's neat. So you can float and still have a park. These wonder why they built them that way. They support one another. That's part of it. I think we keep going this way. Just hugging around the sides here. Yes. I'll put it here. Yes.
I knew it from my research.
Looks like they're cute little.
It's like in the UK.
That's the back of the church that I just.
Pretty little tuna building right here. When we get there, I'm gonna this Barbizon Palace, so that's another hotel.
We're just hugging this canal all around the side. Out for the landmines here. Stampede through here.
We're just so used to not living with any really
Damn pancakes.
I gotta step up my photos. I know you're gonna have millions of photos, but
Zillions.
what I wanted. All right, I can step it up.
Just keep looking it. No, we do. Actually, we should probably get up over there. Well, there's not gonna be cars coming up that.
There it is. Look at the Amsterdam.
We need to go down that way, I guess.
There's that. There's where I was swimming. And Frank House.
We need to go this way.
What you call the inner city race.
I think I walked in.
Yeah, and you've also walked in.
I think we might need to go down that way. Down that road over there. It's right there. Just keep following this around.
More like that.
Construction going on. They're getting ready to tear up the road and put in gas pipes, maybe. There. That is. So I wonder if this one was, they repaired it.
17 minutes.
We're going to turn down here with this, whatever this is. Japan steak.
There's 3 restaurants for museum foods.
If you want a burger and a crepe, you can go right there.
So at night, but it's not also remember. I smelled a lot of it already.
I think, did we need to turn? No, of course, still keep going.
So we'd have to be there. And
That was it, I think. No. And then we can go left for that bridge.
go by the all skinny.
I think we're headed over to that little road there.
We just wait here a little before they started rounding up.
The duck store is closed.
Was on that way.
A lot going on in here.
Are we getting how much time?
3 minutes.
Oh.
What's that? These little cards are cars. I can see why.
54 sleep in it.
Or,
Yeah, like those boats. House sleeping.
I'll go on to you.
let's see. We can go through here.
And that lunch. So they will go on the ship.
I'll put it in there.
You can tour this church.
You say you could take self.
Is that the church behind us?
I like seeing my. No, I love them.
Get a shot in here. All these hotel land. There's a little type of porch type things. We can find a. You go to Pagosa Springs, the roads are torn up. You come here, the roads are torn up.
You look straight ahead.